visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, pwede po kayong sumali doon. Huwag po kayong matakot. Mababait naman po, no? Ang mga tao. And very friendly. No? I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang. No? So, take what's only yours. So, I feel like merong plans dito. Chances are, baka meron kayong either it's a meeting, it should be a, sabihin nating also plans of parang huling hirit sa tag-init, no? Together with your person. I feel like mapag-uusapan. It could be something that both of you needs time together. So, whether meron man kayong challenges, wala man kayong challenges, I feel like this is needed and this requires to happen. Yun nga lang, hindi lang kayong dalawa, no, ang nandito. I'm not saying this is a third party, but this might be a third wheel dahil meron kayong mga kasama. It could be a double date, it could be, barkada outing, family outing, family gatherings. There might be some event, birthday, what have you, no? King of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. For a few numbers of you, magugulat na lang kayo, lalo na kung first time itong gagawin ni person, no? Medyo maganda itong mangyayari sapagkat first time yata kayong ipapakilala, no? Either sa kanyang mga friends or sa family members. Parang yayayain ka nito, come on. Ang arte, no? I-invite ka nito, pumunta tayo sa bahay, ipapakilala kita sa parents ko, ipapakilala kita sa mga kaibigan ko, no? Doon sa mga crushes and no label situation. Ngayon sa mga singles, I feel like makikita mo si person together with friends, together, yung kumbaga acquaintance ito, no? May taong magpapakilala ng new person sa iyo. In a relationship, married couple, I feel like parang meron ding I think ilalabas kayo, pero kasama, ilalabas ng bahay. You're gonna go somewhere. Si person mismo ang nag-plan, no? Third party situation, I feel like bibigyan kayo ngayon ng time nito the person. Yun nga lang, I feel like sa mga matataong lugar, so hindi ka na itatago, parang ganon, no? Dito po sa mga in separations, I feel like uuwi ito, magpapakita, tatawag, no, conversations going to happen. And this is for either the both of you to fix the connection. Hindi pa tapos yung relationship, no? Yun yung nakikita ko doon sa mga separated couples. The Emperor, the Queen of Wands, the King of Swords. I think someone here will be triggered. Um, the reason being is because meron na ngang plan, no? Pero yung isa either magpapahabol, chances are, for a large percentage is magpapahabol. Hindi ayoko sumama, bla bla bla, yung parang gustong pilitin. Hindi ko sinasabi nagpapabebe, baka din kasi nahihiya. Lalo na kung first time makikita yung family, first time makikita yung friends. So parang sinasabi nito, dali hindi pa yata ako ready. So matitrigger naman ito nag-invite kasi sasabihin niya, ano ba naman yan? Na-set ko na yung date, ang gagawin mo na lang, mag-aayos ka, sasama ka sa akin. No? For those who are, yun yung sa mga crushes and no labels, no? Sa mga singles, I feel like medyo maiinis ka kapag nakita mo itong person na ito. Matitrigger ka kasi medyo parang may pagkabastos yung bunganga, either palamura or exaggerated yung mga jokes na parang ang mean, no? So parang ikaw, parang sasabi mo, ay hindi yata ito yung person na, parang sasabihin mo lang cute siya, pero hindi ganyan yung ugaling gusto ko. The more you hate, the more you love. Ito yung magiging indications mo, ay ito yata yung sinasabi ni Daphne, no? Nung napanood kong tarot card reader. Kasi parang uta, no? Nakakaumay. Although cute yung itsura, mahangin, mayabang, arrogante, no? Pero that's just that person. Um, Pwede pa tayong maraming ma-discover. But those first impressions, I think that will throw you off, no? Doon po sa mga in separations, parang magkakaroon din ng alitan. Minsan na nga lang magkita, minsan na nga lang mag-usap. Magkakaroon pa kayo ng inisan. So yun yung parang may matitrigger dito, parang may magsasabing sandali, ano ba tong mga pinaggagawa mo, ano ba itong pinagpapaplano mo, sana sinasabi mo muna sa akin para nakakapaghanda ako, no? Or sana sinabi mo muna sa akin na mag-show up ka ngayon. Siguro naiinis din dahil kahit inaantay niya yung person, hindi man lang siya nakapag-prepare, no? Hindi man lang nakaligo, hindi man lang nakapaglinis ng bahay, ng kwarto, wala man lang maiihain. So parang naiinis ako, wala akong mai-offer sa'yo. Don't take it personally kasi yun yung what I wanted in here is to impress you. Yung parang ganon, no? Let me know sa comment section. Doon po sa mga in a relationship and married couple, I feel like may pagpupumilit din mangyayari dito kasi parang hindi pwede because of the time, pero maiinis. Kasi kailangan natin gawin ito for the sake of our family, for the sake of us, no? Or our friends. With the 10 of Pentacles, the 8 of Cups, the Fool card. So nakakita ko dito, chances are, the triggering factor in here for the person to back out, pwedeng ito'y hiya, yung awkwardness, pwede ding merong financial issues. So kasi hindi mo sa akin sinabi, I'm not prepared, so hindi ako ready financially. So parang kulang or wala talaga, I might gonna back down. So I think the conversation needs to happen in here kasi parang sasagutin naman, no, ni person. Lalo na dun sa mga outings, I feel like kung sasabihin mo na, ay wala ako, hindi, okay na, no? Huwag ka lang ma-trigger, all you just need to do is to show up. Doon naman sa mga may awkwardness, parang sasabihin dito, nakakahiya kasi hindi ko alam kung ano magiging impression sa akin. The Fool card actually symbolizes, no, ito yung risk, ito yung jumping off to a cliff na hindi ko pa to nagagawa or gagawin ko na naman siya and I never felt this nervous again, but I'm going to do it anyway. But with the 8 of Cups, let's clarify the 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups is clarified by the Ace of Wands and the 9 of Wands. So kung meron kayong mga hesitations, nababother kayo, if this will be a successful meeting, if this will be a successful outing, no, or overnight, or what, out of town, pwede rin out of the country, sana all. this is going to be a success. Now let's get some more cards here or message from the universe. The Page of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, the Seven of Wands. I think that this is a surprise for you, Virgo. Matagal na itong plinano. Yun nga lang, hindi ka kasama sa pagplano. I think that this is a parang mabibigla ka. Ang triggering factor mo lang is ba't hindi ako sinama sa plano? Or, and rather, pwedeng kulang ako sa finances or nahihiya ako. But apart from that, hindi ito naisip lang ng, ay, dahil trip ko lang. I feel like pinagplanuhan ito matagal na. Hindi lang nasabi sa'yo or hindi talaga sinabi sa'yo kasi nga surprise. But your person is probably or are actually crossing their fingers and waiting, no, na umoo ka sa kanyang plans. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon, no? So kung hindi nyo maabot yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po sa description box, no? Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Taurus, Sagittarius, of course. Aries is here, Pisces of Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn. So yan po ang inyong reading. So maraming salamat po sa panonood. Again, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below, love and light, namaste, and know that you are all appreciated. Goodbye.